Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from your Acorns account step by step. First, open your Acorns app or log in online. Once you are in, head over to the Invest section. This is where you manage all your investments. Look for the Withdraw button, which is usually clearly visible, and tap or click on it to begin your withdrawal request. Next, you will need to select which of your Acorns investment accounts you want to withdraw from. After choosing the account, carefully enter the precise amount of money you wish to transfer. Remember, there might be a minimum withdrawal amount, typically around $5, so make sure your request meets this threshold before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing your request, it is crucial to review all the withdrawal details presented to you. Take a moment to confirm that the funds are indeed going to your correct linked bank account. Also, verify the withdrawal amount one more time. This quick check helps ensure everything is accurate and prevents any potential issues with your transfer. After confirming, your withdrawal will typically take about 3 to 6 business days to process and appear in your linked bank account. Please note that factors such as bank holidays or requests made over a weekend might extend this processing time slightly. You can always check the status of your withdrawal within your Acorns transaction history for updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.